Make sure to subscribe so you can follow along and follow this adventure to bring this beautiful 97 triple locked Land Cruiser back to life. I really want to get all the junk out of the back of this thing and then also start stripping the interior. So what I'm gonna do today, I've already started. I had a pile up to about here and all the way out to the back of the garage door. I'm just cleaning out this fourth garage we have to get this entire winter's worth of stuff. There's Christmas decorations everywhere, Thanksgiving decorations, there's stuff from Halloween, car parts, subwoofers, boat stuff. There's everything in here. Anyway, I'm trying to get all this cleared out. Obviously the zero turn mower can't really go anywhere, so I'm trying to get that area cleaned up, push this guy over, get this entire area cleaned up and all the floor space over there, get everything either tossed out or on the shelves, and that'll give me enough room to strip out the interior of this wonderful truck here and start dismantling the disgustingness inside. It took a while. I've got a lot of stuff organized in here, a lot of stuff put away. This radiator, it's a Denso radiator off my last 80 series. It's going to a friend of mine who's dropping by later. Those are all marine performance intakes for Mercruisers and Volvo Pentas. If you've got a boat, check out some of my other videos. We're starting a line of marine performance parts. We're starting with intakes since I've been selling those for a couple years now with great results and very positive feedback. We went ahead and got them branded with our logos for the company that we're starting. It's going to be called LXS. Keep an eye out for that. There will be an automotive side to that as well as we roll out some of the automotive parts. We'll probably be starting with Land Cruisers since that's the easiest platform for me to create parts for, since I have easy access to them here. So anyway, we're going to lay out a bunch of the parts here. I've got the two old tires and wheels out of there. There's two more in the vehicle. I'm trying to keep all the parts organized for the 80 series here. There's hundreds of parts, still waiting on more to show up before we actually start digging into it. And while Aiden is playing beat buckets here, how you doing, A? We're emptying out the back of this guy. I'm gonna get those two out of the passenger rear door on that side, take this homemade platform out of here, tear it down, get it ready for garbage next week. Take these third row seats out of here, put them in the garage, and then start looking in the front area, see what other spare parts are up there, and try to get all of these out of the way, organized, get the trash dumped out, and start looking through, seeing what we do have, what we still need, getting parts ordered, and getting a plan together. So we'll get this emptied out, get everything in the fourth garage there for storage, and start putting a plan together for where to start on this thing. Make sure to subscribe so you can follow along and follow this adventure to bring this beautiful 97 triple locked Land Cruiser back to life and get it all fixed up with the entire mess of 15 years worth of maintenance that it needs and has been neglected for quite some time. So follow along. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comments below. I'm always happy to help, and see you next time. Love y'all. Bye-bye.